Hi everybody, it's Chef Rob from the Kitchen and Market and Chef in Your Kitchen, my kitchen. A couple quick things before I start today, just a few reminders. Kitchener.ca site/vendor, you'll find a list of vendors at the market and all the information on the market. Again, market's open from 7 till 2 on Saturday, and lots of great stuff. Oh yeah, and the upstairs is open now too. Yay! So get up there and get out to the market and enjoy it, okay? Great. All right, so here we go. Today, my recipe is, I wanted to do a little twist on charcuterie trays, right? You know, we always do like meat, cheese, stuff like that. So I thought I'd do a little twist on it. And what I'm doing is a grilled vegetable and cheese charcuterie tray, right? So I'm just taking sort of those local grown vegetables we have out there, you know, kind of skewering them up in that. I got that nice barbecue all fired up for us in that. And I'm also going to do a bit of a grilled cheese. The cheese I picked came from McGuire's cheese there at the market, and it's, and I'm going to pronounce it, a Guernsey Girl cheese. And guys, if I pronounce it wrong, I'm sorry. But yeah, so we got some of that cheese we're going to grill in that. I got some crostinis we made up, and we'll just talk about putting the other. But let's start off with like getting our veggies on the grill and that. So one of the things I like to do is just add a little olive oil to your vegetables there, and it just, you know, just sort of kind of helps them from not sticking on the barbecue. I just throw a little salt on it, a little kosher salt. And again, you know, this is if you don't like the salt, don't add it. All right. So let's get a little pepper on it. Oh yeah. All right. So we're gonna take that right over to that grill, and we're gonna throw this right on this beautiful grill, all fired up for us now. Okay. And we're just going to throw all these skewers right on it. And we'll get them all on. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's get them on the grill. Wow. And again, just a little bit of oil on them. Just sort of helps them not to stick on your grill in that. All right, here we go. Here we go. Beautiful, nice tomatoes. Zucchini is zucchini at the market is delicious, beautiful zucchini. Really happy with it. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Such a nice time of the year. All right, so okay, so we got all our vegetables on that grill. We're going to start grilling them up in that. So let's talk about also in the recipe. You also see my grilled avocado guacamole recipe, and I made a batch of it, and really it's a real simple one to throw together, okay? I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm taping this, and it's nicely drizzling down. Oh, beautiful. A little cool to it, that, okay? So on that guacamole, the grilled, all I've done is I've taken that avocado, cut it in half, took the pit out, put a little olive oil on it, and I just threw it on the grill and grilled it for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then I added my garlic, minced garlic, my lemon juice and that. And it's amazing what that little grill flavor in that guacamole and that. So please, that is a beautiful one to try that, okay? So I'm gonna have this on my dish, okay? The other thing I put together was I just did up some crostinis. And again, real simple. It's just taking a nice baguette, cut it up, you know, 1/4 inch, maybe a little thicker if you like them a little thicker. Little olive oil on it. You can even add a little dry thyme if you really want some of that flavor in it. And it's just really on a cookie sheet in the oven. Bake it for just until you get that sort of crispiness in that. And it is amazing there, okay? All right, let's check this out, girl. Oh, it's coming along nice. Just give it a little flip. And again, it's not a big grill I'm trying to get here, right? I'm just sort of trying to get that flavor of the beautiful grill, the smoke, the nice grill marks on it, okay? So you just really want to get that really nice little grill mark on them. You really don't want to over grill it, okay? And again, really play around with this. One's a real fun one. So whatever vegetables you have in your garden, maybe you head to the market, whatever you see, it's really open to really what you really enjoy the most, okay? So again. Let's just get that beautiful turn. Okay. Oh, is that ever coming nice? Oh, wonderful. Okay, just a couple more minutes here and this is going to be all done to our grilled vegetables. So again, you know, you really can play around with this one. Again, one of the things you can do with this is, I don't know, like if you like maybe a little bit of spice on there, you could add different, like a that 5-spice recipe I've gone through with you previously. You can use a 7-spice, you got a tray, like, you know, play around with sort of that real taste you really like in that again. And around the sauces, you could do any dips with it, right? Like if there's another dip you like more than like, you know, you don't like avocado, maybe go with a spinach dip or whatever. Just really sort of think about putting that little dip on there with these beautiful grilled vegetables now, okay? All right, let's see where we go. Oh, yes. Looks amazing. Off. And again, I'm just doing a real nice light grilled, nothing, I just don't want to over grill these, right? So I'm just doing a nice light grill. Oh, the peppers are amazing. Get these tomatoes off. Oh, wow. Okay, so we got our tomatoes off. We're gonna give our zucchini just a little more grilled. Okay. All right. So while that zucchini is going, let's talk about. Give that zucchini a few more minutes. Let's talk about the cheese, right? So the cheese I'm using is that one I picked up, the Guernsey Girl cheese. Like, I can't even pronounce that one. Anyways, it's a grilling cheese. You can put it on a block on a grill. You could also go with a brie. Try a brie. Maybe a nice brie on there would be nice also. Okay, and you're just grilling it just to add a little more to that charcuterie tray. Okay. And again, so I'm just sort of kind of really nicely grilling out the zucchini. I don't want to over grill it. That one. Okay. So there you go. So I got my veggies are all nicely grilled. I'm going to throw on that cheese. And again, I just want a little grill on that cheese. I don't want to over grill it. I just want to get a little grill marks on it, okay? So I'm going to do that. All right, let's throw all this beautiful stuff in. All right, so here we go. We got our nice charcuterie board here. We got some nice grilled vegetables here. Let's have some fun putting this together. So, got some beautiful guacamole there. Maybe we'll just throw a few beautiful little crostinis around it. Just sort of build it up a bit. And I always find with charcuterie boards, it's really around, it doesn't need to be perfect. Think about elevation, think about color, think about where you position it. It's not about, everything's got to be exact and this perfect line. Think about being creative with it. And I always say, to me, it's elevation in that, right? Okay, so then we have these beautiful tomato, and I'm just going to check on that cheese. Oh my. Oh, that cheese looks wonderful. So let's get that cheese in there. Just nice melted cheese. Oh, just nicely grilled. And I'm just grilled it enough to kind of soften it up. Look at that beautiful cheese. So I just sort of kind of grilled it enough just to soften that cheese up a bit. Okay, so here we go. So we got that beautiful grilled cheese there. We got this beautiful guacamole. And now we just want to play with all these skewers of this beautiful vegetables. And again, just, you know, like sort of like little elevation with it, right? Like we just play around with it. Put our peppers here. And oh, let's put some of these beautiful tomatoes. And again, you know, you could change this up. You could take the stuff off the skewers, pile it that way. I kind of like the skewers. You know, I think it just sort of kind of adds a little to it. But again, really like sort of play around with it, like try different things. Oh, our mushrooms aren't going to stay on, so we're going to change the mushroom. Just sort of kind of lay the mushrooms on here. Oh, some beautiful peppers. Oh my, does that not look delicious? Okay, I'm going to slide that over. So here we go. A beautiful grilled veggie with some cheese, charcuterie tray with a lovely grilled avocado in that. So, you know, at your next get together, that is a beautiful way to present it. And again, play around with the different cheeses. This one is a good little grilling cheese. You just got to heat it up, grill it a little bit. Again, go with, you could try brie and stuff like that. And it's just really heating it up in that. And with these beautiful crostinis that we have here, let's throw a few more on there. You got the cheese in that. So again, a great one for your next get together, and a little twist on the charcuterie tray. Thanks for watching. Again, get, you know, any comments or anything like that, please let me know. I'll get back to you on them. And again, just as a reminder, kitchener.ca/vendor has all the list of vendors that are going to be at the market on Saturday, 7 till 2. The market is open, and again, upstairs is open. So thanks for following us on Facebook. Again, be safe and have a great evening. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.